My name is Chad Sprague. I am the owner of Unlimited Blind and Window Cleaning out of Carson City, Nevada. We service houses, we service commercial buildings. I want to give you guys a little tutorial on basically what we do and things you can use in your home that make it easier for you. These folks are from Paradise, California. They're Paradise Fire victims, so we're giving them a free window cleaning today. This is a razor blade from Triumph. I don't use the cheap ones, never use a dull one, never use one that's got any pits or scratches in it, because you can ruin a window. This is just to ensure there's no residual construction cleanup left on the glass. That wasn't supposed to happen. Anyway, so this is a T-bar with a sleeve. We've got lots of detergent on there, which also helps that blade to slide across the glass. And this rubber blade. That ensures that we don't scratch it. And it keeps our equipment lasting longer because there's lubrication. So now that that part's done, we dry the window, all the edges. Then you can look at angles, make sure you didn't leave anything, and I didn't. I made it look easier than it is.